Hi, I am odor control expert at Amalgam. Bad odor in your starch manufacturing facility. From ETP, production area to surrounding. Bad odor can lead to health hazards, environment pollution, complaints from people live in surrounding, workplace discomfort, negative impact on business or brand image. What causes bad odor generation in ETP production area in starch manufacturing industry? Anaerobic digestion of starch, poor aeration in ETP, sludge accumulation of septic conditions, inefficient biological treatments, lack of proper waste handling and disposal. Our solution, OdoServe odor control. Here's how it works. Neutralizes the bad odor casing compounds. Convert heme into less odorous compounds. Absorption of odorous gases. Odor masking along with neutralization. Where to use it? Anaerobic digester such as UASBR, collection tank, equalization tank, sludge holding tank. How to apply? Depending upon the odor intensity, the dilutions are as follows. High odor 1 is to 250. Moderate odor 1 is to 500. Low odor 1 is to 1000. Example, for 1 is to 250, take 1 liter of OdoServe chemical and dilute, mix it into 250 liters of water.